So I'm back. I got some rags. So here's the big leak of water that the Floormate left. I'm gonna fold this rag up. And that's dirty water too, I think. Because there's pieces of hair and dirt in it. Yeah, that's dirty water. It smells like bad. Okay. Let's see what this problem is. Let's turn it back on just for a second. So here's the problem. Hey, look at this. It's blowing water out of it. And it's coming down. Here it is. Look at all that. Yeah, that's not good. Okay, that's enough. I don't want to have to clean anymore. Yeah, that's leaking a lot out. Let me just get all this. Yeah, that's not good. Like, not at all. And I haven't had this thing for very long. So let's see what's going on. And the dirty water tank's not even full. The fill line is like right here. So it's like an inch away from being full. Let's check in here. It looks, if I can get my camera to this angle, yeah I can, like the machine is sucking water out of the tank, up through the foam filter, through into the motor, and then spitting it back out across the machine. Yeah, that's exactly what it's doing. So, I don't know what I'm going to do about this. I know that if you haven't seen some of my videos before, you know I have this Bissell Pro Heat Essential Carpet Cleaner, and there's an attachment, I'm going to have to flip it over to show you, that snaps underneath here to this suction channel and snaps onto these two little clips right here. It goes, and it lifts this brush roll up like this. And it has squeegees, so it picks up, you can see those brushes go up and down, so it picks up water and sprays water and scrubs water and formula on hard floor surfaces. So that's that's what I might do, because I'm not spending money on another Floormate. So there's quite a bit of water left on these floors. This is going to be a job to clean up. Yeah, so I will, I'll see you guys soon. I'll tell you if I fixed this or not. Bye bye.